Hey guys, welcome to our channel Landscape. Today we will draw a window section here in AutoCAD. So let's first we draw the window here. We put the dimension 200 by 240. So here we have the boundary of the window, like this. Okay, like this. And here we have the 20 centimeter. Here the projection, center line, and here 5 centimeter, like this. Make this is the glass here. Here we have the glass, and 5 here and here. So here we have the window. You can see that. So we will distinguish this as projection with the green color. I would go with, and the glass with the blue color. Where is blue here? So you can see the glass and the projection outside. 20 centimeter projection concrete we have in this window and the glass. Okay, so now we have created the front elevation of the window. Now we need the section of the window with the wall. So we will cut the section along its height, and like this we will cut the section here. We have a section line here, we have a section line here. So we have the wall thickness 20 centimeter. We have thickness, and we have the projection here like this. So we will go 10 centimeter more from the wall, so 13 to 20 we have. So it's extended, as you can see, 10 centimeter bulging out. Okay, at the top also we need this, and we will make the construction line here to align this projection concrete here also. So just remove the extra lines from both sides, and here we will mark the break line here. So let's suppose the break line, sorry. So just cut here. Now you can see that we will trim out this projection side, and just we will make 1.5 centimeter offset here and here, and make the glass. We'll match the properties, and projection elevation line here, add, make it green, no issue. So you have extra also. And the hatch here we have the block work or brickwork. Here we have the concrete. Here we have the concrete, and here block work or brickwork. So adjust the hatch. So hatch properties, we will go with this. Okay, make it 10 or make it 50. Brickwork, maybe block work. We will select which hatch. This hatch, yes, this hatch here, and here this one also. And the concrete we will go with the this button. No, which button? This. Yeah, like this. Make here break line symbol here. Make it big. 5, 4, 4. So finally we have done this. As you can see that we have the here we can concrete we put, and downside also brickwork and top brickwork. This this is the wall thickness. Here we have the gloss, and here the elevation of the projection, because it's bulging out 10 centimeter, it's extending. And you can see that here we have the elevation, and we can make the plan view also. So hope you might like this video, and share and subscribe and get more knowledge. Stay tuned with us. Thank you very much for your cooperation. Thanks a lot. Thank you.